I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca, who says you can't have it all. We've got a beautiful home listed here in Toronto at 141 Harding Avenue. Double detached garage, full-size two-story home on a family-friendly court, and it sides onto a beautiful park. All this just steps from transit and highway access. Find out more in this video. If you love to entertain, you've got a premium backyard here to do so, and you side onto a park, so you've got a beautiful amount of privacy in this fenced yard. And you've got a double detached garage, so if you're a tradesperson, maybe you have a hobby that you'd like to take up, you've got all kinds of options here for storage. There's power in the garage as well. What's the most significant thing in real estate? Location. Well, at this particular part at 141 Harding Avenue, you're on a court. You can see behind me that there's gated access to an open field next to an excellent elementary school as well. You have access to parks, walkways that you can enjoy, and there's even the Black Creek. All this on a family-friendly court that sees no traffic except from the 3 or 4 homes that actually live here. Welcome home. The features that are outside of the home are amplified in here because this house is loaded with amenities and options. For instance, as you enter, what's most unusual, there's a 2-piece powder room for your guests on the main floor. So if you have people coming over, they don't have to go upstairs. Other features of the main floor, a full-size open concept living and dining room with a picture window. In addition to that, there's a full-size, family-sized eat-in kitchen that overlooks the backyard, one of my favorite features and quite rare in Toronto. So if you're working on the kitchen, you can keep an eye on the kids and your guests in the backyard as well. Second level of this home is full-sized. This is a full-size 2-story, and as you can see from this room alone, there's a full set of furniture in here, plenty of space to navigate. Double closets, full 4-piece bathroom that's been upgraded as well, and another feature that I'd like to show you. So here's an excellent feature that's again unique to this home. We'll just come out from the 2nd story and look behind me at this view. Fantastic. Open field, full-size balcony on this level that could accommodate furnishings as well. Remember, you're on a court, so this is quite quiet. If you have guests staying with you on the 2nd level, or maybe you have a desire for a duplex of some sort, this can be an invaluable asset to this home. All right, so you want all of these things for your own family, but maybe you need a little extra help, or your family's bigger than most and you want to accommodate them. Not a problem here. You can close off the landing just in front of me. You've got a totally separate side entrance that leads to a basement, which has some features that you're gonna love, including a full bathroom and a 2nd kitchen. Further features of this finished lower level, I always point out that I'm 6'4", and I could fit in here without issue. So the clearance height is superb. You've got a wood fireplace that's available too, and a family-sized eat-in kitchen that could easily accommodate a table. But this rec room's big enough to have another bedroom, another eat-in area. It's quite spacious down here and open, all with above-grade windows to allow natural light. Why are we in this room? It's not the most visually appealing room, but it certainly will help your pocketbook. Here's why. Hidden money. This home has quite a bit of it, and it'll save you. Some of those features are upgraded high-efficiency Lennox furnace. This is one of the best units you could get with the stainless steel exchanger. Upgraded roof shingles, upgraded central air conditioning, upgraded attic insulation, and a fully paved private driveway. All of these things are big ticket items. They've all been done in the past 5 years or so. It spares you from sending big money so that you can customize your house into a home. Thank you for taking this tour with us. As you can see, this home is exceptional. There's great value here for a Toronto home, both in terms of its location, features, amenities that are nearby. It warrants you to have a closer look. So how do you do that? Contact us at info@matteirealty.ca. Call us at 416-557-SOLD, 416-557-7653, or why not take the virtual tour, look at all the dimensions of the home at matteirealty.ca. I'm Eric Mattei. Thank you for taking this tour with us. Have a great day.